Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your work address on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and set your work address. Maybe you Uber to work every day. How do you actually go ahead and set it so you don't need to keep re-entering the address? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner, then scroll down and click on Settings. Here, click on Add Work, and then this is where you're going to enter your work address. And there you have it. Once you enter your work address, you should be done. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set your work address on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.